Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see how to make Rava Kesari. It's a famous sweet in India and it's easy to make. First take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee gets hot and it's melted, add cashew and raisins and roast them. Once the raisin inflate, transfer it into a bowl. Now into the same pan add rava and roast with the remaining ghee in the pan. Roast the rava for 3 minutes. Transfer the rava into a plate. Now add 3 cups of water into the same pan. Once it started boiling, add saffron thread, now add the little pinch of food color and dissolve it into the water. It is optional, the food color is optional. Now add the rava little by little and give it a mix. Once it starts thickening, add the sugar. After adding the sugar, the kesari will loosen up. Keep mixing. Within few seconds, it will start to harden again. Now add the cashew and raisin and the ground cardamom powder. Switch off the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee in the end. It will enhance the taste and the aroma of the kesari. Now the kesari is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you all soon with a healthy and tasty recipe. Until then, bye from Tasty Healthy Cooking. Bye.